All right, got the wagon down here. Too much sun. Got the 403 in the wagon. Been working on it pretty much all morning. Got the 3.0 cell mount. Got the little 3.0 cell mount. Got the little baby motor out. Put thing on Big Daddy in. He ain't Big Papa. Big Papa be a 455. He Big Daddy though. 403. Working on that. Got to pull the engine back out the Monster. Doing the LS swap in this 82, 83 Monte Carlo, 82. I don't know. Doing the LS swap. It's coming along. Got my parts. Got my parts in today. Go ahead and throw them on there. But I'm talking about the 403. You know, the 403 is in the wagon. Yes, the 403 is in the wagon. Won't be long for the wagon be back on the road. And I think we're going to start calling us the California Wagon. You know what I'm saying? Keep it locked.